See, we're discussing about the topic is total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. See, this is the diagram for a critical angle. See, what is the critical angle? When a light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, where the angle of refraction, becomes 90 degrees. That angle of incidence is called as the critical angle. The angle of incidence is called as the critical angle. Now, after that, now again this angle will be increasing. The instant ray of the angle will be increasing, and it's meet at the two mediums of separation of a surface. Two mediums of separation of a surface. Now this angle is called as the I. But this angle is greater than of critical angle. This angle is the greater than of critical angle. That means when a light is travel from denser medium to rarer medium, where the angle of instancy, the greater than of critical angle, the light will be the return back into the same medium. This angle is called as the total internal reflection. What is called the total internal reflection is denoted by the TIR, total internal reflection. Write the statement: when light travel when light traveled from denser medium to rarer medium. See, when a light is traveled from denser medium to rarer medium, the angle of instancy, the angle of incidency, the angle of incidency is greater than is greater than critical angle, is greater than critical angle. See, this is the angle will be greater than of critical angle, and light return return into same medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. See, what is that? When a light is travel from denser medium to rarer medium, the angle of incidence is greater than of critical angle. Then the light return back into the same medium. This phenomena is called as the total internal reflection. Now this total internal reflection based on, that is say, the application of total internal reflection. That what are the application? There's a mainly, this is the applications are there. The diamonds are the sparks. And the formation of a mirage, and the vision of light. This is the main, and also optical fiber. This four will be the application of total internal reflection. We're discussing about the application of total internal reflection. It have the mainly, we have the four. The first one, diamonds are sparkles, and second one is the formation of mirage, and third one, vision of light, and the fourth one is their optical fiber. Now the individual we discussing about these four topics. So first one, why are diamonds are sparkles? Why are diamonds are sparkles? స్పార్కిల్స్ అంటే నాన్న ఎందుకు అవి ఇట్లా మెరుస్తూ ఉంటాయి అన్నట్టు. అంటే ఎందుకు మెరుస్తాయి అంటే, సి డ్యూ టు వన్ టోటల్ ఇంటర్నల్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్. సి లెట్ us consider this is the diamond. What do we consider by this is a diamond? This is a different shape we are considering by the. This is considered the diamond. Now, when a ray of light, is instant on its surface, after that is a refraction and is enter into the diamond. This enter into diamond is nothing but to denser medium. It is of the denser medium, it will be of the rarer medium. Now this can be meet of this one, but we know that the diamond and air, the how much of the angle is there, the critical angle is there 24 degrees centigrade. That's a how much of degrees is there, the 24 degrees of the between the diamond and air. Now here the angle will be also 24 degrees. Then this light can be reflected. Then the light can be reflected in the same medium. Again here also reflected. And again it is also reflected. And after that is coming out of this diamond. And due to this number of reflections, due to number of reflection of the light inside of a diamond, that's why the diamond can be sparkles. See, this is the due to on only total internal reflection. See, what is the definition of the total? When a light is travel from denser medium to rarer medium. This is a denser medium to rarer medium, where the angle of incidence is greater than of critical angle. That means here the angle of incidence is greater than of critical, means above the 24 degrees centigrade. That is the number of reflections considered by the inside of a diamond. The finally it comes to the out of the diamond. See, this is the due to the total internal reflection. The diamonds are sphericals. When a light, this is the light is enter into the diamonds, the light travel from denser medium to rarer medium. See, inside it is considered the denser medium. Now outside we consider by the rarer medium. See, what is the light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, and the angle of incidence, how much is there here? 24 degrees. That is the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. This angle of incidence is greater than of critical angle. That is, the light is reflected back and the light trapped with a diamond. Trapped is nothing but the number of reflections. Due to this total internal reflection, the diamonds can be sparkles.